What bird species are only found in Colombia? If you have ever wondered about the unique birds that call Colombia home, you are in for a treat. Colombia is a paradise for bird lovers, boasting a remarkable variety of species that cannot be found anywhere else in the world. This country is a top destination for birdwatching, attracting enthusiasts from all corners of the globe. Among the most notable endemic species is the Santa Marta Parakeet. This vibrant bird is found only in the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta mountain range. Birdwatchers often make the trek to see this beautiful parakeet in its natural habitat. Another striking species is the Gold-ringed Tanager. Known for its brilliant colors, this bird has a limited range within Colombia, making it a sought-after sighting for birders. Its vivid plumage is a highlight for many birdwatching tours. The yellow-eared parrot is critically endangered and also unique to Colombia. This bird resides in the Andean region, and conservation efforts are underway to protect its population. Spotting this parrot is a special experience for those visiting Colombia. The multicolored tanager is another gem found in Colombia. With its dazzling mix of blue, yellow, green, chestnut, and black feathers, it captivates anyone lucky enough to see it. This species thrives in the humid montane forests of the western and central Andes. Other endemic species worth mentioning include the Chestnut-winged Chachalaca and the Colombian Chachalaca. Both of these birds add to the rich avifauna of Colombia. The Blue-billed Curassow is another unique bird that can be spotted in specific regions of the country. The Black-and-gold Tanager is also exclusive to Colombia, making it a favorite among birdwatchers. Each of these species contributes to Colombia's reputation as a premier birding destination. For those eager to observe these unique birds, Colombia offers numerous birdwatching tours and ecolodges. The diverse habitats, ranging from the Andes to the Amazon rainforest, support over 80 endemic bird species. This makes Colombia a true paradise for anyone interested in avian life. Whether you are a seasoned birdwatcher or just starting out, Colombia's rich birding locations and habitats promise an unforgettable experience. The chance to see these unique species in their natural environments is an opportunity that should not be missed.